Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kruti. I'm a chiropractor at Revive Spine Care right here in Pune, India. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave today so you can stay on top of all things related to your health. I'm going to continue making videos so that you can follow me along your health journey where we explore different topics related to your spine and ways to take care of it. So today's topic covers two things. Number one, what is chiropractic? Something that you've probably seen all over Instagram because people share in their reels. You've probably got DMs about it, and a lot of my patients come in asking me, what is this? And then number two, what is the difference between chiropractic and physiotherapy? I mean, you've probably seen both the terms being tossed around, and yet there is a distinction in between them. So we'll explore that as well in this video. So let's get started. First, what is chiropractic? Chiropractic is the art and science of how to treat the body. It's a form of a treatment to help heal the spinal cord. And it was discovered in the US over 100 years ago, and since then it has been well researched upon. It's also the reason why predominantly the number of schools are highest in the US, as that is where the origins are. In India, as of now, there is no chiropractic school, and therefore, if you have a chiropractic doctor, they've probably been educated in the Western world. I want you to go ahead and ask your doctor about their credentials to understand if they are a chiropractor. So, what a chiropractic does? A chiropractor is going to analyze your spine and look at where the nerves get pinched. The areas where the nerve is pinched is going to get manually adjusted, thus releasing the pressure on it and allowing the body to heal itself. The body's healing ability is inside of it. So let's talk about a machine. Whether it's a mixer, a blender, or even a car, a machine that you've purchased, it starts deteriorating the moment you purchase it, the moment you put wear and tear on it. Therefore, it is very important for you to upkeep it. The body is just like a machine. It works and it functions and it gives an output. There is a distinctive distinction between the two though. A machine has to be regulated from the outside, whereas the body is regulated from the inside. The way the body is regulated is from the brain sending signals to the rest of the body through nerves that pass through your spinal cord. So when the body is not functioning, the message between the two is getting compromised somewhere in between. A chiropractor can help find that compromised place in their spine. At which point or points are the messages not passing through? Now think about it. How does the body heal itself? So you probably have got a cut, maybe in your arm, and you've probably put a sticker or a band-aid or a tape over it, and you've said, that's what has healed it. What you have done is protected it from the outside elements, but it's the body that added new cells and removed the old ones and cleaned out the whole space so that you can use it and it goes back to normal. The body is programmed to heal. The body does the healing from inside. It's kind of like when you eat food. You don't have to tell your stomach that you need to digest. It just does it. The same way, the body is designed to continually heal, but its ability starts slowing down when you use things like medicines, do surgeries, add injections, because we are stopping the way the nerves function. It's like we're putting a gatekeeper and closing the gate of communication. If the communication is closed, I guess you're not going to feel pain. But is that the right thing? Are you stopping the function of the nerve by turning it off? So if it always worked, if it was 100% accurate, why does your pain come back? Why do the problems come back? Because we have not allowed the body to heal itself. So we are going to make sure that we find a place where those gates are blocked, open the gates up, and then allow the communication to happen both ways so the body can do what it is supposed to do. Create new cells, get rid of the bad ones, and restore the function. The idea is, even with the aging of time, we are still able to control our body. If we didn't, we wouldn't be here. As long as you have the ability, as long as you're alive, you have the ability to heal the body. And we want to do that without interfering with our body's regulatory processes. Chiropractors help achieve that. Now, question number 2. What is the difference between chiropractic and physiotherapy? Now, in India, physiotherapy is used very much as an alternative way of getting treatment to different parts of the body, maybe an elbow pain, a knee pain, a hip pain. So you've been to a physiotherapy, they've probably given you exercises to do, put on little electric stimulation on your muscles, and they've probably even done some manual therapy on you. And then what happens is after you finish your series, the pain goes away. Amazing. And then a few more weeks pass by and the pain comes back. Now, just remember what we talked about in the previous video. The nerves that go from every part of the body to the brain and vice versa come through the spinal cord. So if the problem lies in the spinal cord, the muscle that was causing you pain, the organ that was causing you pain are going to go back to the way it was, the way before getting treatment. It ends up in this cycle of reoccurrence. If it didn't, you probably wouldn't be watching this video trying to find an answer to your question. So it's important for us to address this as well. In physiotherapy, we address the soft tissues, we address the pain, we address mobility and the range of motion. But until we don't reach to the root cause, we're not going to be able to keep these effects in the long term. So hopefully I've addressed some of your questions in this video. I hope to follow up with more videos so that you can get all your questions answered. If you have questions, you can leave them below, or on the Instagram page, you can even send me a DM and let me know what is on your mind. My job as a doctor is to make sure you're educated about your health, because your health is your priority and mine too. Take care of yourself. Let's get back in action. Make sure you make an appointment with your chiropractor and ask them, what can I do to improve the way I live my life? See you next time. Take care.